Today, me and old Dum Dum here is going to eat at a place that has been around Rock Hill forever. It's Red's Grill, located off of Main Street, East Main Street in Rock Hill. It's a pretty good place to eat. I don't eat here a lot, not as much as I'd like to, but today we're gonna go in here and give it a try, so stay with us. This is our specials today. And then we got a breakfast menu, which is over, and a lunch menu. This place has been here for a long time. Good food. I usually order a hamburger steak. I don't know what I'll order today, but hamburger steak's usually my favorite. All right, I ordered a hamburger steak like always with crinkle fries and cheese, onions on the side, and hush puppies. Old boy over here ordered a cheeseburger, kitty cheeseburger, and fries. They cook it right here to order, and I was wrong. Breakfast is served all day here, according to the menu. So I have never been this satisfied here. Food's always good. They're always real friendly, and don't have anything to say bad about them so far. They've been real nice to us, and service has been good so far. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah, they brought us a whole pitcher of tea. They must know I drink a lot of tea here. Get off your phone. Get off your phone. Quit being a kid. Get off your phone. Anybody want to adopt a kid? He's still on his phone. Just like a little kid. Still on his phone. This place didn't get busy. We got here early, and it's 11:42, and people's filing in the door one right after the other. We wanted to catch it before the lunch crowd hit. And apparently it's hitting right now. Here it comes. There it is. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, darling. And roll the cornbread.
Roll.
I got you.
Look at him. A little bitty hamburger there. It's pretty big. You got my hamburger stick there. Stay tuned. You ever seen anybody eat a hamburger like this, tear it up? He tears it up and dips it. Yeah, he's a little kid. He's my son, but he's a little kid. Y'all want him? Look at this stack of carnage. I forgot all about my darn rolls. Let them sit there. But I'm full, so that's a good thing, right? Final review coming soon. All right, take 725. I've been trying to make an outro the whole entire time that we've been gone from the restaurant. We've been gone for quite a while now. Red's Grill was great today. I enjoyed my hamburger steak, and I think Preston enjoyed his hamburger a piece at a time. What say you? I give him a 10, Preston.
10.
He gives him a 10 too. So if you're ever in the Rock Hill area, around Main Street, East Main Street, stop in the Red's Grill. It don't really have a name on the front of it, I don't think. I took a picture of the front of the building, but didn't see Red's Grill anywhere on it. It just says restaurant, and I'm telling you, it looks like a hole in the wall, but one of the best hole in the walls you'll ever eat at. If you want some good food, try it out. So until next time, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.